now to think about assembling the body and the neck. So the neck is, the frets have been pre-done on the neck. That's to make it a bit easier, and it's also been pre-fitted a bit earlier, which I now have to finalize. So the first thing is to take off all the protection and start to clean up this surface so that we've got a good meeting surface. Here I've already done this on this side, taken that off. That's nice and clean. So let's work on this one. So now it's time to glue the neck on. I pre-fitted it already, so I've done a check just to see how that's going. After putting the frets in, we had a slight bow, which you can expect, just a very slight bow, and I've adjusted the truss rod to bring that back nice and flat. And now the key is, I know that it's fitting in there beautifully solid, but what I need to do is to make sure that it aligns well. So what I've done is I've put this piece of cotton on here, and I've marked the center point there and the center point there. And if I bring this one down, let's take that away for a moment, and I bring that to the center point, I should see it line up through all three, and it does. So that tells me that I've got a nicely aligned straight through the section. Now then, the next alignment is really on the bridge. That's roughly where the bridge is going to go, and I've also checked this one now that this is pretty close to the same height as the frets, which is where I was aiming for. So I think we're in absolutely the right ballpark. Everything aligns up correctly, so I'm ready to go. The plan is to leave that cotton in there so that I can make sure that the final alignment with the glue in is where it should be. And I've made up this piece here with a bit of a gap down the center so that I can use that to clamp on, and hopefully everything works. So I'll put this to one side because I don't need that for the moment. And what I need to do is now glue. lining up perfectly. So I'll just wipe off that little I think we're there. Perfect. We're done. It should be a couple of hours to set, but I'm going to leave that one overnight. I'm not going